In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC condenser on your Kia Sorento, located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Before we go ahead and do any AC work on our vehicle, we want to bring it to a shop to get the AC freon professionally removed. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. We're going to start by removing this top piece right here. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove these 4 Phillips screws. Go ahead and take them out. Now we have 4 plastic Phillips clips. We're going to go ahead and take those out too. And now that you have them loose, you're going to go ahead and use a small trim tool and pry them out. Like that. Next up, we're going to be removing this 10mm bolt. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take it out. And there's going to be another one on this side. Go ahead and do the same. Now we can go ahead and pry on this. Pry up and do the same on this corner and make sure that it's loose. Now we're going to move on to the fender wells to remove those clips. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. Go ahead and take it out. And using the same screwdriver, we're going to remove these 3 plastic clips. Simply get them loose. And once you have them loose, go ahead and use a pry tool and take them out. And we are going to be doing the same on the other side of the bumper. One thing I want to point out, if your vehicle has a bottom tray, you will go ahead and remove those now. In our case, this one's missing, so we're not going to be doing that. Now that you have all the bolts off, we're going to go ahead and pry on the corners. We're going to be doing the same on the other side. And now that you have both corners popped off, you want to go ahead and grab on the top and unclip it. Once you do that, simply go ahead and slide the whole bumper out. Grabbing on the grill, pull straight out. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this intake piece. Using a screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and take all 4 of these. Simply get them loose. And after, we're going to use a trim removal tool and we're going to pop them off. After you remove those, go ahead and slide these out. Next, using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 10mm bolts. We're going to be doing the same with these 2 10mm bolts on this side. Next up, we're going to remove the reservoir hose that connects to the top of the radiator. Using a small pry tool, we're going to go ahead and wedge it in between and just pull on it. Go ahead and move that hose to the side. And now we can finish removing this piece. Next up, we're going to have a 10mm bolt right over here. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Next up, we're going to use a small pry tool and we're going to remove this clip. Simply pry on it, being very careful. Go ahead and take it out. Moving to the opposite side of the shroud, we're going to see another 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove it. Moving on to this side, we're going to go ahead and remove a plastic clip that's still holding the shroud in place. Using our pry tool, we're going to go ahead and slide it out. We're going to remove the clip. And we're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. Now that we have the clips out of the way, we can go ahead and grab on the shroud and slide up. Now we can go ahead and remove these two 10mm bolts that hold the line in place. Go ahead and crack them loose. And remove them. Now that we removed the nuts, we want to go ahead and wiggle the line on both sides. And we can go ahead and pry slightly onto the line, being very careful. We're going to do the same on the bottom line. And do the same on the top. Sometimes if you find it easier, we're going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and being very careful not to damage the surface, we're going to go ahead and just wedge it in here and just pry a little bit. Now that we have both lines broken loose, we're just going to simply grab them and move them off of the condenser. Now that we have the lines off, we're going to go ahead and grab on this tab. You're going to pull back a little bit and slide the condenser up. We're going to be doing the same on this side. Go ahead and pry on this and slide up. And now you can grab the condenser, moving the lines out of the way, and slide it out. Before we install the new condenser, we want to replace these two O-rings. Go ahead and take them out. We're going to go ahead and install the new O-rings. Now we're going to go ahead and line it up with the clips and slide it in place the same way that the old one came out. Make sure that you lined up on the top and the bottom. Once you're in place, go ahead and slide it down to click into position. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the covers to install the lines. So go ahead and pull them off. And we're gonna go ahead and slide the line in place. I'm gonna do the same on the bottom. And once you have it lined up, go ahead and push them in place. Now we can go ahead and put the two nuts to hold it in place. Now we can go ahead and torque them to 6 foot-pounds. I'll do the same on the top. Now we can go ahead and reinstall a shroud, slide it in, align it with the holes. Make sure that you slide it on the bottom. Do the same on both sides. Now we can go ahead and reconnect the clip. Go ahead and line it up and push it in. Now we're ready to install the reservoir hose. Go ahead and line it up. And when you do this, make sure you bottom it out all the way. Now we can go ahead and install the clip that goes right over here. And for that, I'm gonna use needle nose pliers to help me guide it in place. Go ahead and align it with the hole and push it in. Like that. We're gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. Now we can go ahead and install the 10mm bolt that goes right here. Go ahead and line it up. Start it by hand. And we're gonna go ahead and get it snug. We're gonna be doing the same on the other side. Go ahead and install the 4 bolts that go right on the top. Start it by hand. And get them snug. Now we can go ahead and install this piece, slide it in, and reinstall the 4 clips that go on the holes. Go ahead and push it in. I'm gonna go ahead and install the bumper. Line that up in the middle. You wanna go ahead and slide the latch through the hole. Go ahead and line it up with that. And line it up with the headlight Now we can go ahead and install the 10mm bolts that go right here. Start it by hand. Now we can go ahead and install this 10mm that goes on the opposite side. Go ahead and get them snug. Now we're ready for the 4 plastic clips that go right here. Slide them in and push them in. Do the same for all 4 of them. Now we're gonna go ahead and line up the headlight and make sure that we clip it on the fender. We're gonna be doing the same on the other side. Now we can go ahead and install the 4 Phillips screw heads that go right here. Go ahead and start them by hand. And now get them snug. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the clips that hold the fender liner to the bumper. Go ahead and line up the holes and install the clips. We're gonna have the 1 Phillips screw that goes right here. Go ahead and start it by hand. And now get it snug. Install the wheel, align the holes. Start your lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern. Now that everything is back together, go ahead and bring the vehicle back to the AC shop so they can go ahead and refill the system.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.